Steplead Oil Filling Machine is suitable to fill 50 milliliters to 15 kilograms oil bottles of mustard oil filling, edible oil filling, refined oil filling, vegetable oil filling machine, also lubricant oil filling and engine motor oil filling machine. Our machine is online oil filler with cap sealing units suitable 1 to 50 Ltr oil filling, also suitable to fill 5 lit 20 lit oil jars, containers filling machines. The Steplead Automatic viscosity liquid bottle filling machine, which is made compact, versatile and enclosed in stainless steel elegantly matte finish body. This unit works on volumetric principle and reciprocating self-centering. Nozzle goes upward slowly from the bottom level of bottle towards neck during filling to minimize forming. Adjustable nozzle is reciprocating according to filling dose. The dosing block with a hexagonal bolt, this means different fill size can be set easily within minimum of time. The main drive consists of a helical gearbox driven by AC motor and through controlled by an AC frequency drive. The speed can be set in terms of bottles per minute. The conveyor drive consists of a hollow shaft, geared motor controlled by an AC frequency drive. A knob can set the speed of conveyor. Steplead Oil Filling Machine range including edible oil filling machine, lubricant filling machine, cooking oil filling machine, oil filling machine, mustard oil filling machines, palm oil filling machine, tin oil packaging machine, engine oil filling machine.Our Oil Filling Machine suitable wide range oil like peanut oil, sunflower oil filler, soybean oil filling machine, palm oil filling machine, coconut oil filler, cottonseed oil filling machine, mustard filling machine, oil filler with capper machine, corn oil filling machine, sesame oil filling machine, canola oil filling machine, Shea Nut Oil filling machine and filling line including bottle unscramble, filler, capper, induction cap sealer, self-adhesive labeling machine, sleeve labeling machine, carton packing machine. For more information, please feel free to contact us by WhatsApp 86 136 7018 1318. Email johnlawvic@gmail.com. Website www.steplead.com. Facility Ltr. Web link